What's up, guys? It's me, Zane, and we're gonna review Life Hot Chainsaw. Um, it's a pretty good game. Like it reminds me of those old style arcade machines that it's like a beat 'em up. It would probably take you like a day to finish it if you like have no life. You know what I mean? It's very, very short. The bosses were pretty easy. I mean, I cheesed most of them by just like stopping it. Stopping the screen. Now, criticisms. It's for, a mature audience. You know what I mean? Like, if you're not like 18 years older, you should be investigated. You know what I mean? Everybody that plays this game should be investigated. Because, like, you know what I mean? Like, it has certain, like, elements that I can't show you or, tell you. But, yeah. It's like those adult, you know, it's like those adult TV shows like, fucking, what's it called? Futurama or Family Guy or anything like that. You know what I mean? Uh, and that's with the costumes and like dialogue in the game. I thought it was pretty fun. If you ignore that, it's fine. It's fine what it is from the early 2000s because this came out a long time ago. This is just a remaster. So, yeah. There's two endings you could get. One from not saving all the like civilians. If you don't save all the civilians, your mom basically turns to a zombie and then like kills you, I'm assuming. If you save all of them, oh, she's basically alive and gives you a birthday cake saying fun. Because I only knew this because I didn't save one civilian. I'm like, really? You gotta be kidding me. Would I go back and get all the costumes and get the best ending I could get? Maybe. But I feel like it's one of those games that you like. It's a one and done situation. You know what I mean? I mean, you probably play it here and there for fun, but aside from that, yeah, it's kind of like a one and done. So, what I would give this rating? You know what? Fuck it. 10 out of 10. With a badass Zachary approval. That's not a thing. Now it is. Oh, yeah, and especially the price. Oh my god. For every modern game being like $70 and $80, while this only be like $45. Like, come on. Like, really? You have to at least try it out. So, yeah, it's a good game. They didn't overspend. They could have easily charged this like $50 or more, and I'll tell you the fuck right off. Like, it's a good game. It's updated. It's not censored any bit, so it'll probably not be a meme review about it because I don't have the props for it. So, yeah, that's it.